Hello guys, welcome to Thrift&Fortune, where we talk all things reselling. My name is Genie, and in today's video I just wanted to share a quick hack how you can delete your listing from Poshmark if you have an active offer on it. If you're interested in more reselling hacks like this, please like this video, subscribe to this channel and ring the notification bell so you will never miss a new episode. Okay guys, let me start sharing my screen and show you how you can cancel or delete your listing on Poshmark if you have an active offer on it. First, you need to go to your Poshmark account and choose your Poshmark closet. Here's mine, and I don't have any active offers from buyers currently when I'm recording this video, but I'm just gonna walk you through all the steps so you can do this if this happens to you, if buyer sends you an offer and you, for instance, need to delete your listing if it was sold on a different platform, or I don't know, you just want to delete your listing. I will show you on the example of the first item I have. Here you have it. These are Zara denim shorts. And if you need to cancel or delete it, first you go to edit your listing. And if you are here in editing your listing, the only thing you need to change is the size. So it works for any item, no matter the category. You just go to the size chart and change the size from the current size to any random size you want. It doesn't matter. Poshmark just needs to see that this is a new listing. So we change the size, then we go down and update the listing. So this is it, it's done. We are going back, and now if you have an active offer on the listing, Poshmark will automatically read it as the new listing, and you can delete it from your desktop or in your app. And it also automatically cancels the buyer's offer. So this is it. This is how you can remove your listing now. This was it, guys, but if you are new to the Poshmark platform, I have a discount code for you. Using my referral code Genie777, you can get a $10 credit off your first purchase, which is nice. I will also leave my referral link to Mercari platform. If you haven't tried Mercari, this is another great platform where you can sell your items. And if you haven't tried it, using my referral link, you will also get a $10 credit, so I will leave all the details in the description to this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!